Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. Our garage floors are finally being redone. We're epoxying the entire surface, but that means none of the cars can be parked in here for an entire week. Makes and Models is hooking me up. They're gonna store the Aventador, they're gonna store the Gallardo. The Supra, I think, is gonna park outside with the Focus and the Jeep, but without further ado, this is a cold startup on a squeaky door Aventador. Welcome to Makes and Models. If you did not notice, the check engine light is still there. We got 22,233 miles on the Aventador. If you live here in the beautiful state of Utah and you want to see either the Aventador or the Gallardo, they're going to be parked here for a week. Also, the Aventador is due for its annual servicing, and it has that check engine light too. So we're dropping it off, we're getting an Uber, we're headed home getting the Gallardo, headed back to Makes and Models, getting another Uber, headed back to home. So yeah. Do you think it's time for me to add another Lotus Elise back to the channel? I think it could be pretty cool. It could be a fun build. Always love that car. And we're back. Ooh, that purple looks so good. What do you guys think? Should I wrap the Gallardo purple to match the Aventador? That would be sick. The orange and purple look so good together, but what do you think? Should I rewrap the Gallardo purple to match the Aventador, to match the Gladiator? Let me know what you think in the comments below. So we're leaving both Lambos here at Makes and Models. We'll pick them up in like a week, so bye. Uber number 2. Oscar, it's a new day, but it is a new day. What we filmed was yesterday. It is a new day, and guys, check out the new garage. Whoa, Oscar, whoa. Unfortunately, we still cannot park any cars here in the garage. Also, it's very echoey. Ahoy, ahoy, ahoy. I'm wondering if that's because the cars aren't here or because of the new surface. Check this out though. So we got the epoxied floors right here. We still cannot park any cars in here for about 6 or 7 days, but we got lots to do. But it's so echoey in here, we're gonna go out, so it's so loud. We finally have big updates regarding my C8 Corvette allocation. The car is gonna be here soon, boys. We're gonna go check out 2 more pieces of land. I think one of them could be the spot, maybe. We got big updates on the house, and then the Supra. Today is Sunday, tomorrow, Monday, the wide body kit install is gonna begin. We need to figure out our wheel choice though. So I figured out the style, but I need to figure out the color. I'm thinking either bronze or black. What do you guys think? I'm gonna do an Instagram story poll, link in the description below. Go vote. The poll will go live as soon as this video goes live, and it lasts for 24 hours. Black or bronze, go vote. I think the bronze would look really cool with the satin vampire red, but the decision is yours, so go vote. Also, it is a beautiful day here in the perfect state of Utah. We're hopping in the Helliator. That is not its official name, by the way. That is the temporary name for the Hellcat swap Gladiator, but once the Elephant arrives, we got a new name. Also, no update. Mopar. Is it obligatory or obligatory? Obligatory. Yeah, this is an obligatory. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Go. An obligatory tunnel pass. Yeah. Chick-fil-A. No, I cannot describe to you guys how bad I want Chick-fil-A, but it's Sunday, and so they're closed. Park City is just flexing on the nation right now. The trees are starting to change colors already. Also, we are climbing into the sky right now. If I buy this piece of land, my Gladiator is gonna get like 3 miles to the gallon. Like, no joke, 3. 1.16 acres for $429,000. But these views, boys, look at that. We got Park City out there in the distance, all the colorations on these hills right here. The one thing I've realized in Park City, there's no such thing as a flat piece of land. Everything is sloped on some level, so lots of excavation gonna be required pretty much no matter where I go. So I submitted the plans and the engineering that's been finalized for my house barn. If you haven't seen the photos of it, it's here and here. I submitted all that information off to my builder about a week and a half ago. I should have like a cost estimate back from him in about 3 days. Once I know what it's gonna take to build my house barn, then I know what my budget is for land. This is $429,000. I think this will fit in the budget, hopefully, because we just got views on views. This is sick. Dude, Park City just flexing. I was gonna jump. That would have been a bad idea because I would have broken both kneecaps. Oh, wow. Okay. This photograph gives you a better idea of the shape of the land. So 1.16 acres overlooking Park City. We're probably at like 7,000 feet up here though. Come wintertime, like 10 feet of snow, no joke, 10 feet of snow. Gladiator should be fine. Aventador and Gallardo, probably not very good. The rear wheel drive Supra on summer tires, probably not either. That house is sick, but that driveway is not supercar friendly. That driveway is not supercar friendly. I don't think there's any supercars up here because you couldn't get them into the garage. Brakes, 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 we need the brakes. I think buying land is gonna be the hardest decision I've ever had to make because there's so many great options and you're like fixated to that piece of ground forever. Like once you buy it, you're kind of sort of stuck with it, and then the pricing is just so astronomically high here in Park City. The crazy thing though, all these pieces of land have been available on the market for like 400 plus days. So I would assume they must be negotiable, right? Right? GT2 RS? What? GT2 RS? Are you kidding me? Whoa, that was a terrible clip. And I'm sorry for that, but it was a GT2 RS. I'm finally starting to get excited. I think Oscar and I may have just found our new place of residency. Well, there's actually two plots of land right here. We have this plot right here. This is an acre and a half, 500 grand. And then we have that piece of land, which is 3/4 of an acre, also 500 grand. So this is double the acreage, but a lot of this is like downward slope, so it's almost unusable. Whereas that is just like prime, and it's a little bit higher. So we'd just be chasing views on views every single day. This has these awesome pine trees though. I think it's gotta be one of these two though. I just love this location so much. It is 500 grand, which is a ton of money, but like land is the ultimate investment. Like it's never gonna go down. Also, both of these pieces of land have been available on the market for like 400 days. So, I mean, they gotta be negotiable, right? Right, Oscar, right? Negotiable, hey, negotiable. But you're not driving, we gotta go, we gotta hustle, we gotta go. Yep, scoot, scoot, scoot. I really, really, really like this piece of land. What do you think, Oscar? Would you have fun here? Yeah, you would. Oscar, we're home, bud. We're home. Yeah, we're home. We gotta, what do we gotta do? We gotta do something. I don't know what. Later tonight, we're doing a photo shoot with Mikey's new pink GT3 RS. Should we take the Gladiator or should we take the Supra? Heads, we take the Gladiator. Tails, we take the Supra. It is heads. We take the Gladiator. Okay, so I gotta watch this ASAP because it's an absolute disaster. This purple looks so good under the Utah sun. So the Gladiator's all clean. My photo shoot is at 7:30, it's 6:30. So we got a little bit of time to kill, and the Supra is just chilling next to the Focus. C8 Corvette allocation, though, we have very, very exciting news. So I ordered that car back in what, June or July. I just found out my build date is slotted for December 2nd. Boys, December 2nd, we should have one of the first C8 Corvettes in the world on the channel. I cannot wait for it to arrive. I'm gonna fly out to Kentucky and drive it back home to Utah in the dead of winter. So modification number one is definitely gonna be winter tires. Absolutely. The plan for the C8 Corvette is going to turn it into like a performance monster. You know, the Supra is kind of like a show car build. Corvette is not going to be a show car build whatsoever. Well, I almost just said what I was gonna do. I gotta keep my mouth shut because it's gonna be very, very exciting. We're gonna be doing a lot of the firsts in the world. If you've not seen the photos of it, my spec is right here and right here. It's Arctic white. It's got all the carbon fiber options you could ever imagine. List price, or like MSRP, is gonna be 85 grand. So we got $25,000 in options, and I cannot wait. It is gonna be so exciting. So yeah, we're gonna hop in the Gladiator. We got this photo shoot to go to. I need to get Oscar. Yeah. My build date is slotted for December 2nd. The car will actually be finished by December 4th, but realistically, I won't take possession until maybe the middle of January, and that's because it's a brand new car. It's a very early allocation, you know, one of the first off the production line, and so it's gonna have to go through a whole multitude of quality assurance, jargon, nonsense, whatever you wanna call it. So like January 15th, that's kind of what I'm estimating to be sort of like its ETA in Louisville. I'm gonna fly out to Kentucky and drive it home to Utah. So yeah, middle of January, that's kind of like the conservative date. Hopefully it's sooner, but we'll see.
Arrive at your destination.
Where's the destination? Oh, there's the destination. Right there. I missed it. I missed it. The brakes are so bad on this Gladiator. Mikey, you madman. Are you kidding me? It looks so good. Okay, so I'm going to a dead end now. This is the GT3 RS that Clayton and Faith just wrapped. Look at those white wheels. It looks so good. Oscar, it's paint to sample Oscar white wheels. Yeah. Yeah, we've filmed this GT3RS on the channel before. This was the half white, half fluorescent yellow wrap. So they just removed that wrap and then Clayton wrapped this insane wrap on it. This is the single loudest Porsche GT3RS in the world. You got the white Porsche, the white roll cage, the white wheels. I'm telling you guys, white wheels, that is the new thing on hypercars. We're just waiting for the cold startup. Also, it's like a lukewarm startup. Yeah, it's properly loud. So we're headed that way. Wow, that is so loud. Every time I hear that car, I'm always blown away at how loud it is. Jeez. So that's Jose, and Jose is taking photos of that GT3RS. Welcome to downtown Salt Lake. We got the Ferrari dealer. They have 2 resale red LaFerraris. We are flexing the Gladiator right now. And good news, we did not break an axle shaft. At least not yet. We're good, we're good. It's so loud. It's so loud. The purple and pink look so cool together though. I love how both the Porsche and the Gladiator, they have like that circular LED lights around. It looks so cool together. I think there might be a pink car coming to the family soon. Maybe. More to come. I know this isn't that impressive, but it's the first time I've ever flexed the Gladiator with the Hellcat. So yeah, deal with it.